Welcome back to our demo series on using the frame generator and Inventor Nastran. In our last video, we covered the model preparation and preprocessing. Today, we will run the simulation and analyze the results. So, let's get into Nastran. So let's make a recap of the steps that we follow in the last video. So we initially imported our cantilever bin created using the frame generator from the Inventor environment into the Nastran environment. Then we kept the typo analysis as linear static by default, and we learned that the idealizations were completed automatically. Then we proceeded to complete the subcase with the application of the load and the fixed constraint in the other end. And we finished with meshing the model. So today we're going to continue with the processing and post-processing or analysis. So let's go into the ribbon and click on the command run analysis. So this is a cantilever bin, Macola bar bin element. So the processing time is really fast. So let's click in here, OK. And now we can see the results. So we're going to go into the subcase 1 and node results, and then we had the different results that were completed. So the first one is the bomb misses stress. The next one is the displacement, and then we had a safety factor of 1.66 and the presentation or comparison between the former center line of the bin and the initial line. Okay, so now let's get and look at the results a bit more in detail. So in terms of the bar stress, we're going to be looking at the maximum bar stress, and we're going to be looking at this value in here, which is 115.475. so now we will be looking at the displacement. So let's click in here, and now we have the displacement of 1.734 millimeters. There are another options for analyzing our result. For example, if we want to run an animation, we just click on animate command, and then we will have the animation of the result. Okay, so one next step that we want to do in this presentation, it is make a comparison between the theoretical results and the FEA results. So let's go into the next slide, and we can see in this column the theoretical calculation and then the Nastran calculation and the error for the bending stress and for the deflection. We have a really low error of 0.2%. Okay, so with this, we completed our video for this series. So we hope you found it helpful and informative. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the logo icon to stay tuned with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.